Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 46 to 50 from the Aqua Basic Tech 2016 questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Basic Tech. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 46. Fluid flow can be applied in the following except A. Windmill, B. Pneumatic device, C. Electrical device, D. Hydraulic device. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at the question, it's talking about fluid flow can be applied in the following device except. So one of these devices operates under the flow of another substance but not fluid. Now, if you look at it, you first have to say, what is a fluid? A fluid is a state of matter that can flow, and that will be air and liquid are both matters that can flow. They are flow. Likewise, plasma. So this state of matter can actually flow. They are fluid. So when you say fluid flow can be applied in the following except, it means most of this device uses the flow of fluid for their operation. Take for instance, windmill. It is caused by airflow for a windmill to operate. So this is not our correct answer. B. Pneumatic device. Pneumatic device is caused by the flow of a gas for it to operate. So pneumatic device is not also our answer. But if we look at option C, electrical device. Electrical device operates by the flow of electrons. So through metals. The flow of electrons through metals causes electric device to operate. This doesn't operate as a result of fluid flow. So this would be our answer. While hydraulic device operates through the flow of liquid. So our correct answer would be electrical device because it doesn't operate as a result of fluid flow. Alright, let's check it out. Question 46, option C, electrical device is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 47. Which of the following is not a component of electricity transmission system? A. Circuit breaker, B. Feeder line, C. Substation, D. Antenna. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in analyzing all of the options, looking through all of them, you see most of them have to do with an electricity transmission system. But there's one that basically has to do with a communication transmission system. And that would serve as our answer. And you would agree with me that the antenna has to do with the communication transmission system. And let's still take a look at this explanation to see the functions of these as electricity transmission system. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload. So a circuit breaker actually reduces the intensity of current flowing through a device so it doesn't damage that device. So it's an electricity device system. A feeder line is a peripheral route or branch in a network which connects smaller or more remote nodes with a route or branch carrying heavier traffic. Okay, that's a feeder line, so it has to do with the electricity device system. So a station is a high voltage electricity system facility. It is used to switch generators, equipment, and circuits or lines in and out of the system. This also has to do with an electricity transmission device. Now, in radio engineering, an antenna or an area is the interface between radio waves propagating through space and electrical currents moving in the metal conductors used with a transmitter or receiver. So an antenna basically is used in a communication or in radio engineering. So antenna would be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 47, antenna is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 48. The process of using planks to prevent excavated trench from collapsing during casting of concrete is known as A. Timbering, B. Excavation, C. Scaffolding, D. Batching. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of what all of these options means. Then we can analyze these options and see which one best answers our question. So we are going to be looking at explanation to all of these options, and with that we'll gain an understanding on how to answer the question. Let's check it out. Now, timbering is a method of providing temporary support to the side of a trench and is sometimes called planking and strutting. And this basically answers our question. Providing support to the side of a trench while the concrete is being cast. Let's look at the next one. Excavation is the process of moving things like earth, rock, or other materials with tools, equipment, or explosives. So excavation is like digging up things from the Mother Earth. Scaffolding in building construction, temporary platform used to elevate and support workers and materials during the construction, repair, and cleaning of a structure or machine. It consists of one or more planks of convenient size and length with various methods of support depending on the form and use. So scaffolding is like a skeletal feature beside buildings when construction or renovation is going on. Alright, so the last one here, batching, is the process in which the quantity or proportion of materials like cement, aggregates, water, etc. are measured on the basis of either weight or volume to prepare concrete mixture. So this is just the approach used in preparing concrete mixture. But the answer to our question is timbering. Let's check it out. Question 48, option A, timbering, is our correct answer. Alright, let's look at the next question. Question 49. Maintenance service include the following except A. Inspection, B. Replacement of parts, C. Lubrication, D. Production of parts. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we would analyze all of the options and see which one best answers the question. It's saying maintenance services include the following except A. Inspection. Inspection actually is an approach in maintenance service because you're trying to carry out a survey or a lookout to see if any part needs repair or needs to be checked on. So option B, replacement of parts, it's also a maintenance service because if a part is worn out, it is necessary, it has to be replaced. That's an approach in maintaining the equipment, so it's also a maintenance service. Option C, lubrication. Lubrication is also a maintenance service because we are trying to apply basically oil where necessary so as to reduce friction, which in turn will reduce the wearing and the tearing of the equipment, or also reduce the equipment from overheating or carrying out loss of energy. So lubrication is also a maintenance approach. Now, production of parts is basically not a maintenance approach because it's a manufacturing approach and it has nothing to do with maintenance. So option D definitely is our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 49, production of parts, option D is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 50. Which of the following chisels is used for cutting channels and keyways? A. Flat chisel. B. Cross-cut chisel. C. Round nose chisel. D. Diamond nose chisel. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options by knowing their functions. Then we can select the correct answer. So, in selecting this correct answer, we will need to know the functions of all of these chisels and see which one best answers our question. Let's check them out. So the flat chisel is used for general purpose, cutting sheets and plate metals and removing surplus metal from surface. So this will not be our correct answer. Cross-cut chisel is used for cutting square grooves such as slots, channels and keyways, and this definitely is our correct answer. The round nose chisel is used for cutting semicircular grooves for oilways in bearings. This is not our correct answer. And the diamond chisel is used for squaring holes and cleaning corners. So going back to our question again, it says which of the following chisels is used for cutting channels and keyways? And from our answer here, we have that the cross-cut chisel is used for cutting squaring grooves such as slots, channels and keyways. So the cross-cut chisel is our correct answer. Let's look at it. Question 50, cross-cut chisel is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go in this video. I hope we had fun. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can ask questions on the previous videos we've seen. It's usually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.